I've been saying that quote to myself since I was a little girl. And that quote, don't change yourself, change the game, it's gotten me through so much in life. And so I took it with me to the height of my career in fashion. And when I made that decision to step down, that's exactly what I did. I lived by the words that I've been telling myself, which is don't change yourself, meaning don't conform, change the game, be a change maker. And so I'm very, very proud. It wasn't just one thing, it was several things that led up to my decision to step away. But the biggest one was just because I am being treated with respect and dignity and being uplifted and celebrated, when I noticed that my peers were not always treated the same way, it made me feel very heartbroken. And so the fact that, big fashion houses do not give their models privacy while changing and undressing, like I couldn't be in an industry where there's not basic human respect. I think modest fashion is taking off. I mean, it's the oldest fashion staple. It's been around for hundreds of years. It will continue to be around for another 100 of years.